We are gonna cook 2 Italian dishes. One big Italian sausage rice and one Italian sausage pasta. Then, initin natin yung pan and then pag mainit na siya, lagay mo na yung Italian sausage. Walang oil kasi i-render natin yung fat ng Italian sausage. O, pag medyo dry na, pwede ka na mag-add ng konting oil para lumabas pa yung flavor ng sausage, onions, yung garlic. Lagay na natin yung tomatoes and the bell pepper and the tomato paste. Pang ginagawa nila, sabay-sabay yung paglagay ng gulay. Pero yung style natin, one at a time, para magkaroon ng chance yung bawat ingredient, lumabas yung sauce niya or yung flavor niya for a richer dish. So, ilalagay na natin yung chicken cube. This is optional because there are people who don't like adding seasonings. Pepper to taste. We add the salt towards the end of the cooking session kasi you want to make sure na tama na yung timpla ng food. And lalagay na natin yung cream. Yung 3 cups, i-divide natin into 2 dishes. Yung 2 cups for the baked rice and the 1 cup for the pasta. Lagyan natin ng cheese. So, lalagay na natin sa oven na 30 to 45 minutes. So, we made 2 dishes. I'll taste the rice first. So, ito yung dish na pwede mong gawin na kung hindi ka kumakain ng kanin, pwede ka magpasta. Pareho siyang masarap. Sarap. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram pages. Tara, luto tayo. See you sa next vlog!